revise all those or not? Basics I started now, Varnamala basics. In that swar, about swar I explained how many types of Varnamala are there, how many types of in swar how many letters are there in swar, and how with the swar letters what we will get, and with with swar letters we will get matraye, and with those matraye we can form barakadi, like that I explained you in the last class. Today we will go through the Vyanjan letters. Vyanjan letters. Okay. Did you revise or not? You have, whenever the class is given to you, then you should revise all those and practice those until, because of lockdown you are not coming to the school, so that you should revise all those regularly, then only you will remember all those things. Okay ma, don't neglect your studies, stay at home and stay safe always. Don't be don't go outside mostly don't go outside. Now today I'll teach you about Vyanjan letters. How many types are there in that? In Vyanjan letter, how many types are there? And what are the names given to those types? With the Vyanjan letters, what we get? That like matra, like swar letters we get matra, you know. So like that, with Vyanjan letters, what we'll get? All those I'll explain you today. So listen carefully. If you didn't listen, you go through again and again, try to listen and understand those things. Okay ma? Vyanjan. What are the letters in the Vyanjan? I told you this Vyanjan. We call it as, what we call it in English as consonants. Consonants. In Telugu, halluలు. Okay. What are the letters in the in Vyanjan? Ka to ha. What are the letters in Vyanjan? Ka to ha. Okay. So first we'll go through the letters. Whatever the letters are there in that, we'll go through that. Okay. Right. Come on. Say along with me the letters which are in Vyanjan. Ka, kha, ga, dha. Repeat along with me ma. Ini. Cha, cha. Listen the pronunciation. How I am pronouncing the letter ja, cha, inya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay. Once again I repeat these letters. Ka, kha, ga, kha, ini. Cha, cha, ja, cha, inya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Next. Pa, fa, ba, tha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Se, sha, sa, ha. Okay, I told you now in Vyanjan what are the letters will be there? Ka to ha letters. So now again these ka to ha letters are three parts. I tell you what are those parts means. Up to here, ka to ma, one part. This one is the other part, and this one is the another part. Actually, ka to ma letters are named as Antast Vyanjan and Ushma Vyanjan. See, these are named as Sparsh, Sparsh Vyanjan. Okay, what are the name? What it is named as Sparsh Vyanjan. The next is Antast Vyanjan. What is this? Antast Vyanjan. This one Ushma Vyanjan. And these are also separately again these are having another names. Kavarg, Chavarg, Tavarg, Tavarg and Pavarg. Okay, so separately they are having another names. This is Kavarg, Chavarg, Tavarg, Tavarg, Pavarg. That means Kalai, Chalai, Talai, Talai, Palai. And Ka to Ma letters are also named as Sparsh Vyanjan. Ya, Ra, La, Va is named as Antast Vyanjan. She, Sha, Sa, Ha is named as Ushma Vyanjan. And in this, the last letters are there, which are named as okay. Ka, all these are Ka to Ma letters are Sparsh Vyanjan. Okay, ma. Now we'll go through what we'll get with Vyanjan letters. What we'll get with Vyanjan letters. With Swar letters, we got Matraye, pre-framed Matraye, and with that we got Barakkadi letters. Now with these Vyanjan letters, we are going to write Adha Akshar. Adha Akshar means what? With these letters, we can frame Adha Akshar. Adha Akshar in Telugu. Adha Akshar in Telugu. Ottulu. You don't know in Telugu Ottulu is there. Ottulu means Kavatu, Kavatu, Gavatu, Gavatu, Chavatu, Chavatu. Like that we have Adha Akshar in Hindi. Okay. Now we'll go through all those. Once again I'll repeat this one because I'm going to rub now. Ka to Ha letters are there in Vyanjan. What are those? Ka, Kha, Ga, Kha, Ini, Cha, Cha, Ja, Cha, Inya, Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Ana, Sa, Tha, Da, Tha, Na, Pa, Fa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Se, Sha, Sa, Ha. Okay, ma. In this, two more letters are there. Those are Da and Da. Actually, these dotted letters. These letters doesn't belong to Hindi Varnamala. These are from Arabic and Farsi letters. These two are Arabic and Farsi letters. But we'll use in some words. In Hindi, we'll use in some words. For example, like Ladka. When we write Ladka, we'll use this one. Padh. When we write Padh, we'll use dotted. Like that, in some words, we'll use these letters. Understand, ma? But these letters doesn't belong to Hindi Varnamala. They are separate. These letters belongs to Arabic and Farsi. Now we'll go through the Adha Akshar. I told you, no, with Vyanjan letters we'll get Adha Akshar. We'll see about Adha Akshar now. First, I'll tell you one technique how to remember Adha Akshar. How to remember Adha Akshar, I'll show you now. know the heading. Know the meaning of the heading. Adha means what? Half. Adha means half. Akshar means letter. Akshar means letter. So half of the letter is called Adha Akshar. When we write in Telugu Ottulu we say no. When we write Ottu, then it is called Adha Akshar. That means the half letter of that Pura Akshar. Now I will tell you how to remember Adha Akshar. First, how to remember Adha Akshar. First we must know the how many types of letters are there in this. Okay, I will tell you first. There are 3 types. 3 types of letters. There are 3 types of letters. One is Pai Akshar. Okay. The other one is Bin Pai Akshar. And the last but not least one is Poonch Akshar. You get a doubt that what are these letters? Pai, Bin Pai, Poonch. What are these? I will explain you what about that. Okay, what are those? Pai. Pai means straight line. Straight line. Straight line letters. Bin Pai means not having straight line. Not having straight line. And Poonch Akshar means tail letters. 3 types of letters are there. I told you, no, 3 types of letters are there in these. Pai Akshar, Bin Pai Akshar, Poonch Akshar. Straight line letters, not having straight line, and the tail letters. That means in these letters, some are having tails, some are having straight lines, and some letters are not having the straight lines. Now we will go through those letters. What are those? And we will identify those letters in this cartoon. Okay. First of all, we will go through tail letters. Poonch Akshar, which are very easy. Very few are there in that. Those are. I am giving the shape to the each type. Ka, Fa. Okay. Ka, Fa, Ha. All these 3 letters are tail letters. All these 3 letters are Ka, Fa, Ha. Okay. Now you will get a doubt that where is the tail to the letter. This is the tail. See here. This is the tail. This is the tail. This is the tail. So while writing Adha Akshar to these letters, Ka is there now. What we will do? We will cut the tail of the letter. And we will remove this one. Okay. Then it will be like this. Fa. Then we will cut the tail. Then it will be seen like this. Fa. Ha. Then here. See here we remove the tail. Then it will be like this. Okay na? Ka, Fa and Ha are the 3 different letters. Those are Poonch letters. Tail letters. So do you understand? It's very easy to know to write the Adha Akshar of these letters. Emma? If you remember that to cut the tail of these letters, then you can write easily. For these letters, you can write easily Adha Akshar. Now, we will go through the Bin Pai Akshar. Bin Pai Akshar. Bin Pai Akshar means what? The letters which are not having the straight line. Straight line. Those letters we will identify now, and I will give one shape to those letters. Okay na? See, straight line, not having straight line means, see here this letter is having straight line, this is having straight line, this is having straight line, this is having straight line. That means the letters which are having a straight line by the side of it, those letters are pai akshar, and if they don't have the straight line like this, those are bin pai akshar. Okay ma'am, do you understand that one? The letters which are having straight line by the side of the letter, those are pai akshar, and the letters which are not having straight line, that means these type of letters, those are bin pai akshar. We will identify the letters which are not having a straight line. First line, go through the first line. Ka, kha, ka, kha is having straight line, but this one is not having straight line. I am giving a square box. Okay, India. Cha, ta, tha, da, dha. Okay, ta is having straight line, tha is having straight line, da, dha is having, na is having, pa, tha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, se, sha, sa. All the remaining letters which I didn't give the box, those letters are straight line letters, and the letters those which are in the box are, that means a square box I gave, no, in the square box those letters are called pai, bin pai akshar. Now understand, once again I will tell you. Poonch akshar means the letters which are having tail, see like this. These letters are called poonch akshar. Easily we should trim. We should trim the tail of the letter, and then we will get this one. Okay ma? Now how to write Adha akshar to the bin pai akshar? Bin pai akshars, once I will revise the letters. Bin pai akshar letters. Ini, cha, ta, tha, da, dha, da, and ra. But here one thing you should know that ra is a different, totally different from all the letters. Ra is having different Adha akshar. All these letters will have the Adha akshar in the letter itself, but ra is having different type of Adha akshar that I show you here. Slanting line, pyramid shape, and hook shape. Like this, three types of Adha akshar is there for ra. This is the different topic. I will explain you in the next class. Okay ma? Now we will go through these only. Now we will go write the Adha akshar for these letters which are not having. Okay na? Straight line for ini. Once you see ma, you will get a confusion in writing ini and da. So many will write, if they wants to write this da, they will write like this. Don't forget that to the da we must write the dot down, and for ini we must give the dot side. Okay. Now see how to write the Adha akshar. Down we must give one slanting line. Tha, da, dha, da. Okay, like these the letters which are not having the straight line, to those letters we must write, we must give a slanting line under the letter, then it will become the Adha akshar of that letter. It's very easy ma, just you have to write the letter there, and you should give one slanting line under the letter. Then it is very easy. Now the last one is pai akshar, which are having straight lines. We'll go through those, how to write Adha akshar for those letters. Okay, for these letters you should see here, you should cut the straight line. You should cut the straight line. When you remove the straight line like this, akshar of these letters. Do you understand, ma? How to write Adha akshar? The technique what I said. Will you remember that one? Whenever if anyone asks you to write Adha akshar, it's very easy. If you find straight line letters, just remove the straight line to that and write the letter. If you find any letters those are not having straight line, for that you should give just one slanting line. Write the full letter and give one slanting line to that. And if you find like this tail letters, then you should cut the tail. This one. Okay, like this, and you will get the Adha akshar in this way. And Ra is having three types of Adha akshar. Yeah, I'll explain you this one in the next class. Now how to join the Adha akshar to the Pura akshar. Now we learn about that one, and how to pronounce the letter also we learn now. Okay, ma? Up to here, do you understand all of you? Adha akshar, how to remember Adha akshar? Okay. Now don't neglect it, ma. You just learn it. It's very easy to you to learn with this. The recording will be with you only, so that it's you will get a time. Always you will get a time to rewind and revise those. Now how to write Adha akshar? How to write Adha akshar to the Pura akshar? How to join Adha akshar to the Pura akshar? Now we will see. First, see. Joining of Adha akshar to Pura akshar. So here you can see this one is Adha akshar and this one is Pura akshar. Here see Ka I wrote half only, no? So this is Adha akshar and this one is Pura akshar. I will show you how to join the letter. First write Adha akshar, then join the Pura akshar. See, in Telugu, when we pronounce the letter which is having Adha akshar to the Pura akshar, first we will pronounce the Pura akshar, then Adha akshar. అంటే ముందు మనం full letter పలికి తర్వాత half letter పలుకుతాం. But in Hindi, first we will pronounce the Adha akshar, then we will pronounce the Pura akshar. But only a few letters which are having which we pronounce the full letter first, the next half letter. Here I will show you one example. I will show in the Telugu. See, Samyukta akshara I will show you, then easily you can understand. Ka and what is the Adha akshar here, ma? Yeah. Okay. When we pronounce this letter, listen carefully. When we pronounce this letter, we will pronounce Pura akshar, full letter first, then half letter. Pronounce it, ma. What it is? It is kya. What it is? It is kya. Like that in Hindi, the same letter I am writing. See this one here, the full letter became the half letter and the half letter became full letter. Do you understand? When it comes to Hindi, it will become reverse. Full letter will become half letter and half letter will become full letter. But a few letters are there. One letter is there which will pronounce the letter first, full letter first and half letter next. I'll tell you later. First we will go through how to join the letters. This one you should remember, ma. Whenever you write any word, first pronounce the word yourself. Okay, then you have to write the word how the which letter is pronouncing first in this one, the Dvitvakshar or Samyuktakshar, which letter is we are pronouncing first, that is Adhakshar, and the second one is Purakshar, and the letter that we join is the Purakshar. Okay, only one letter is there. First will pronounce Purakshar, next will pronounce Adhakshar. Okay, first we will go through how to join the letters here. So, kya, to plus ya, kya, okay. Ch plus cha, cha. Here see, most of the children will do the mistake while joining these two letters. They join like this, which is wrong. You should not join like that. We should join this one to this to here, not to the sleeping line. We should join this one here. Okay, ma? Don't join here. If you join it here, it is wrong. Next, ja. This one also. So many will join like this. It is wrong. We should join like this. Ja. Okay. Cha and cha. Okay, ma? So like that, so many are there. Adha akshar. So many adha akshar are there to. So many adha akshar are there to join with the pura akshar. In the next class, I will repeat those again. A few more I will explain you those. And with this we have another two types, that is Dvitvakshar, Samyuktakshar. I will explain you in the next class. Okay, ma?